Okay,
Oh
so
my
I'm sorry.
God.
I've been waiting for like 2 days to watch this music video and even listen to it.
I feel like RM has just like been sitting back, like every time he goes on V Live and he turns it off and he's like,
Any news? Nope.
nope,
Just
none at
my
all.
birthday. So Ashley and I, we have not listened to this track.
No, we've purposefully stayed away from this.
Yes.
track.
I'm so excited.
Okay, wait.
Okay, wait.
I just want to say, like, RM, man, I'm so proud of you.
When I listened to Mono, I legit could not stop smiling because I was just listening to how much he had grown so much as a musician from his first mixtape. I'm just so proud of you.
Yeah.
I'm so proud of you, Namjoon. It feels like a page out of his diary almost.
Oh,
it's so beautiful. Okay, it's about to happen.
It's
Are we
about to
ready?
happen, yes.
We're ready.
I love it already.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
That's so beautiful.
He loves the rain so much.
하루 종일 비가 왔으면 좋겠어 누가 나 대신에 좀 울어줬으면 해서 종일 비가 왔으면 좋겠어 그럼 사람들이 날 쳐다보질 않았어 우산이 슬픈 얼굴 가려주니까 빗속에서 사람들도 저마다 바쁘니까 좀만 느리게 숨 쉴래 평소에 내 삶도 내 랩도 너무 빠르니까 지금 모든 게 저 위치로 하늘에 나의 그림자가 비치고 난 어둠을 딛고 서있어 고개를 밑으로 내 발 뒤꿈치로 Slow rap, slow jam, slow rain, everything slow Slow rap, slow jam, slow rain, everything slow
Oh my gosh.
Forever
This is mesmerizing.
It's so beautiful. He loves art.
He's an artist.
This is so beautiful. Oh my gosh, my heart hurts. It's so beautiful. Whoa.
비가 오면 조금은 나 친구가 있다는 기분이 들어 자꾸 내 창문들을 두드려 잘 지내냐면서 안부를 물어 And I answer 난 여전히 삶의 인질 죽지 못해
He's the only one with his
살지만
feet on the
뭔가를
ground.
못 결지 나도 너처럼 어딘가
Hey, this
부릴
girl.
수만 있다면 온 세상에 진하게 입 맞출 수 있다면 그 누군가 나를 맞아줄까 내 고된 몸을 어쩜 받아줄까 제발 아무것도 묻지마 그냥 영원히 내려줘 네가 내리면 외롭지 않아 너라도 내 곁에 있어줘 잿빛 세상에서 살고 싶어 영원 따위 없는 걸 알고 있어 Slow rap, slow jam, slow
Oh
rap,
my
everything
god!
slow.
That is trippy AF.
It pours, when it rains it pours, it pours.
We're disappearing.
They're all going back up. He's finally looking up.
This is from the opening too.
Look up. Everything is like finally still. It's still in one room.
All different shapes and shadings and sizes.
Are we all like Drops of Rain?
Forever. He's like that single drop that we keep saying.
Wow. People are saying that he's been working on this since like 2015 or like 2016. It can take months, years to create art, and it takes 4 minutes and 28 seconds to consume it.
I could only understand the first 2 lines, but he was like, I like it when it rains because then I don't like something about not having friends or like not being seen or something. And because the music is so soft, it can be seen as peaceful, but having the people under the umbrella be kind of disfigured brought a little bit of anxiety into the music, which I think this song is. Thank you, RM, so much for sharing sincerely a part of your heart that is not always like happy, smiley, rainbow, like RM, I wanna live right now. I wanna live right now. Not that, RM.
Not that part, the other part. Because that's a part too. Or we don't like to admit that that's like a part.
The mono playlist coupled with Love Yourself album is so good. Love Yourself is like accept yourself, know yourself. And then the mono playlist is like, it can also exist where you're sad. It can also exist when you don't believe. I also like that it was a drawing.
I was about to say the same thing. Namjoon, you're too good looking. It's sometimes a little bit distracting when I'm trying to listen to your beautiful words.
It's so distracting. When it's a drawing, it's able to communicate more abstract thoughts than a real life music video could.
I think it's also interesting that there was no detail in his face. If we're coming from the idea that it's like ripped from his diary or something like that sometimes it's like harder to fill in your own blanks.
Yeah. Maybe you don't even like the way that you look.
You don't see yourself in full detail.
So you would rather just see the shape, but not the details because you don't like love yourself.
Whoa. RM, let us know. I mean, how on or off base are we?
This is Jock.
At night. Right. Look at him walking as a little doodle.
So